Have you ever gazed at the stars and wished to explore the universe more closely? Stick around as I reveal 5 astonishing things you didn't know about the Gskyer Telescope and why it might just become your favorite travel companion for stargazing. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're diving deep into a product that promises to transform your stargazing experience. The Gskyer Telescope, featuring a 70mm aperture and a 400mm AZ mount. Whether you're a beginner or a budding astronomer, stay tuned for our in-depth review. First up, let's talk about the superb optics. With a 400mm focal length and a 70mm aperture, this telescope provides stunning images. The fully coated optics and high transmission coatings ensure your eyes are protected as you explore the stars and the moon. But while it offers clarity, some users have noted that in very low light conditions, images can be slightly dim. Next, we have magnification options. The Gskyer comes with 2 interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens that triples the magnifying power. This means you can see celestial objects up close. However, keep in mind that switching lenses may take a bit of getting used to for beginners. A standout feature is the inclusion of a wireless remote and smartphone adapter, allowing you to capture stunning images of the night sky without being tethered to your telescope. This is great for budding astrophotographers. Nevertheless, some users have found the remote to be slightly finicky at times. Let's not forget about the adjustable aluminum alloy tripod, which supports many viewing positions. It even comes with a carry bag, making travel a breeze. Just a heads up though, a few users reported that the tripod can be a bit unstable at times, so use it on solid ground. Lastly, buying this telescope means you're investing in a product from a leading manufacturer, which offers great satisfaction. However, it's definitely advisable to read the warranty terms and ensure you know what to expect. Something I recommend for any major purchase. So, what's the final verdict? The Gskyer Telescope offers incredible optics that are ideal for beginners and seasoned astronomers alike. It's got great features with some minor drawbacks, but overall, I think it's a fantastic travel telescope for the budding stargazer. If you're considering a purchase, keep in mind the specific limitations I mentioned. Honesty is key,